Expressions containing brackets. PEMDAS Rule. Brackets are used in an arithmetic expression to highlight the part of expression enclosed inside them, that is, to indicate the part of expression that has to be solved first, regardless of the operations involved. In this case, we forget the rest and focus only on what is inside brackets. After removing brackets, then we continue with the rest of expression as explained earlier. Remembering the order of operations in expressions containing all operations mentioned above as well as brackets is easier when you use the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is the acronym made by using the first letter of the rules discussed so far. We have the following. Example. Calculate the value of the following expression as shown on screen. Solution. Despite the fact that we have exponents outside brackets, which have a higher order of priority than all the other operations, and only multiplication and subtraction inside them, we begin from the part enclosed inside brackets. Here, we apply the same rules discussed earlier, multiplication first, then subtraction. We have the following as shown on screen. Now that brackets are gone, we continue with the rest of operations. Now we have PEMDAS, not PEMDAS, as parentheses are not present anymore in the expression. Therefore, we have to find the value of terms containing exponents before continuing with the rest. We have the following shown on screen. Now, it is better to calculate 54 divided by 9 as there are two consecutive operations of the same order of priority in that place, and if we try to solve them simultaneously, this may create confusion. We have the following. Now, we can do the two multiplications simultaneously as they are not consecutive. We have the following. That is all for lesson 1.4.5. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.4.6, types of parentheses and their order of priority. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.